That's a big one.
Yeah, they've all been really decent.
Haven't had any kits yet. Here's a duck hunters talking. Yeah. It didn't work.
Did you ever know Bud Hall?
Oh yeah. I used to live not very far from Bud. Talk about a trapper. Wow. And not only that, but Bud Hall has a daughter that lives at Washington, Iowa, same town I live in. And yeah, I knew Bud. Hank Springer, a fur dealer at Waterloo one time, I was in selling him some fur and he said, "Hey," he said, "you gonna be home tomorrow?" And I said, "No, I don't know why." And he said, "Well, I'm going up to Nashua and I'm going to meet up with a couple other fur dealers." And he said, "Bud Hall's got about 1,500 fox." And he said, I'm not going to be able to buy them. But he said, "I want to see them." And he said, "If you want," he said, "I'll just stop and pick you up on my way." And I said, "Well, I'm afraid I can't do that." But, so I couldn't go with him. But I wished I'd have taken the time off now to go and do that, because you know, to see 1,500 fox all in one batch that he just got that fall, that was, you know, pretty good.
What year do you think that would have been?
Let's see, we lived in Waverly, and I bought that house in the spring of '72. So, and we left there in the summer of '75, so it had been fall or winter of '72, '73, or '74, one of those years. Yep. Yeah, Bud was a pretty good guy, pretty quiet. Did you ever know him?
No.
Yeah, good guy, really good guy. He did a lot of turtle trapping in the summer. And of course, I was a turtle man my whole life. I've been a turtle man.
Wicked sharp every time you pick it up. Wiebe knives feature a replaceable blade design sporting a surgical grade scalpel edge for a long-lasting and consistent use. And every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 replacement blades. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your replacement blades today with a $5 flat rate shipping on any sized order at wiebeknives.com.